Credit cards have become a ubiquitous part of modern life. They offer convenience and flexibility. However, they can also lead to financial trouble if not used responsibly. Think of a credit card as a tool. Used correctly, it can help you build a strong financial future. Used incorrectly, it can lead to a mountain of debt. The key to successfully using credit cards is understanding how they work. Credit cards are not free money. They are a form of borrowing. When you use a credit card, you're borrowing money from the credit card issuer. You then have to repay that money plus interest if you don't pay your balance in full each month. It's crucial to remember that credit card interest rates can be high. This can make it very expensive to carry a balance. If you're not careful, you can quickly find yourself in over your head. That's why it's vital to use credit cards responsibly and always live within your means. Always remember, treat your credit card like a loaded weapon. Handle it with care and respect, and it can be a valuable tool. Be careless and it can backfire with serious consequences. The video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial advice. Do your own research and do not invest more than what you can afford to lose. One of the most appealing aspects of credit cards is the potential to earn rewards. These rewards can come in many forms, from cash back to travel miles and points. Understanding the different types of rewards can help you choose a card that aligns with your spending habits and financial goals. Cashback rewards are straightforward. You earn a percentage of your spending back as cash. For instance, a 1% cashback card will give you £1 back for every £100 you spend. Some cards offer higher cashback rates on specific categories such as groceries or gas. Travel rewards cards allow you to earn miles or points that can be redeemed for flights, hotels, and other travel expenses. These cards often come with perks like airport lounge access and free checked bags. If you're a frequent traveler, a travel rewards card can save you a significant amount of money. Points rewards cards are more versatile. You accumulate points for your spending, which you can then redeem for various rewards. These can include gift cards, merchandise, statement credits, or even cashback. Points cards often have flexible redemption options, allowing you to choose the rewards that best suit your needs. Many credit cards also offer sign-up bonuses. These are bonuses you receive for opening a new credit card account and meeting specific spending requirements. Sign-up bonuses can be a great way to jumpstart your rewards earnings, but be sure to read the terms and conditions carefully before applying for a card. This ensures you fully understand the requirements and can maximize the benefits without any surprises. Additionally, many credit cards come with mobile apps that help you track your rewards and spending, making it easier to manage your finances and maximize your benefits. By staying informed and proactive, you can make the most out of your credit card rewards and enjoy the perks they offer. While credit cards offer numerous advantages, they also come with potential risks. The most significant risk is falling into credit card debt. This can happen if you spend more than you can afford to repay each month. Credit card interest rates are typically much higher than those of other loans. This means that even a small balance can quickly grow into a large debt if you're only making minimum payments. The longer it takes to repay your balance, the more interest you'll accrue. Overspending is another risk associated with credit cards. It's easy to overspend when you're not using physical cash. This can lead to a cycle of debt that can be difficult to break. It's crucial to track your spending carefully and avoid using your credit card for impulse purchases. Another risk to consider is the potential impact on your credit score. Your credit score is a numerical representation of your credit worthiness. It's used by lenders to assess your risk as a borrower. Late payments, high credit card balances, and having too many credit cards can negatively impact your credit score. Remember, credit cards are a powerful financial tool. However, it's essential to use them responsibly and avoid falling into debt. By understanding the risks and taking steps to mitigate them, you can use credit cards to your advantage. Mastering your finances, practical tips for responsible credit card use. Using credit cards responsibly is crucial for maintaining a healthy financial life and ensuring long-term financial stability. Here are some practical tips to help you stay in control of your credit card use and avoid common pitfalls that many people face. Always pay your balance in full and on time each month. to maintain a good credit score. This will help you avoid interest charges and late fees, which can quickly add up and become a financial burden. Set up automatic payments or reminders to ensure you never miss a due date. Track your spending carefully to stay within your budget. Use a budgeting app, spreadsheet, or even a notebook to monitor your credit card purchases and keep a close eye on your expenses. Knowing where your money is going can help you identify areas where you can cut back and stay within your budget, ensuring financial discipline. Keep your credit utilization low to maintain a healthy credit score. Your credit utilization ratio is the percentage of your available credit that you're currently using. It's important to monitor this closely. A high credit utilization ratio can negatively impact your credit score, making it harder to get loans or favorable interest rates. Aim to keep your credit utilization below 30% to maintain a good credit standing. Limit the number of credit cards you have to avoid unnecessary complications. Having too many credit cards can make it challenging to manage your spending and payments effectively. It can also be tempting to overspend when you have multiple credit cards at your disposal. Stick to a manageable number of credit cards that meet your needs and financial goals. Regularly review your credit card statements to stay informed about your spending. Check your statements for any errors, unauthorized transactions, or suspicious activity to protect yourself from fraud. Report any discrepancies to your credit card issuer immediately to resolve issues quickly and maintain your financial security. Level up your credit game advanced strategies for maximizing rewards. Once you've mastered the basics of responsible credit card use, you can explore advanced strategies to maximize your rewards and get the most out of your cards. Consider using multiple credit cards for different spending categories. Some cards offer higher rewards rates on specific purchases. For example, you could use one card for groceries and gas, another for dining and entertainment, and another for all other purchases. Take advantage of introductory offers and sign-up bonuses. Many credit cards offer generous sign-up bonuses for new cardholders. These bonuses can be a great way to boost your rewards earnings, but make sure you understand the terms and conditions before applying. Utilize balance transfer offers strategically. Balance transfer cards allow you to transfer your existing credit card debt to a new card with a lower interest rate. This can save you money on interest charges and help you pay off your debt faster. Consider a travel rewards card for frequent travel. If you travel frequently, a travel rewards card can help you earn miles or points that can be redeemed for flights, hotels, and other travel expenses. Many travel rewards cards also offer perks like airport lounge access and free checked bags. Remember to always weigh the benefits of rewards against the risks of credit card debt. Don't overspend just to earn rewards. Focus on using your credit card strategically to maximize your benefits while staying within your budget. By doing so, you can enjoy the perks without falling into the trap of debt. Regularly review your credit card statements to track your spending and rewards. This will help you stay on top of your finances and ensure you're getting the most out of your credit card strategies. Don't forget to check out the links in the description below for exclusive promotions on some of the best credit cards available today. These offers include sign-up bonuses, cashback deals, and travel rewards that can help you maximize your benefits and make the most of your credit card usage. Make sure to explore them and find the perfect card for your financial needs. The future of finance, AI, blockchain, and crypto in the credit card space. The world of finance is constantly evolving, and the credit card industry is no exception. Emerging technologies like artificial intelligence, blockchain, and cryptocurrencies are poised to revolutionize how we use and interact with credit cards. AI is already being used by credit card issuers to detect and prevent fraud, personalize rewards programs, and provide better customer service. In the future, AI-powered chatbots could provide instant support and financial advice to cardholders. Blockchain technology has the potential to transform the way transactions are processed. Blockchain-based credit cards could offer faster transaction speeds, lower fees, and enhanced security. Cryptocurrencies are becoming increasingly popular, and some credit card issuers are starting to offer crypto rewards cards. These cards allow you to earn cryptocurrency rewards on your spending, which can then be held or used to make purchases. The integration of these technologies has the potential to create a more secure, efficient and rewarding credit card experience for consumers. As these technologies continue to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative applications in the credit card space. Building a secure future. The importance of responsible credit card use. In conclusion, credit cards can be a valuable financial tool when used responsibly. They offer convenience, flexibility, and the potential to earn rewards. However, it's crucial to remember that credit cards are not free money and should be used with caution. By understanding the risks associated with credit card debt, practicing responsible spending habits, and staying informed about the latest trends and technologies, you can harness the power of plastic to your advantage. Remember, building a secure financial future requires discipline, planning, and a commitment to making informed financial decisions. By using credit cards wisely, you can enjoy their benefits while avoiding the pitfalls that can lead to financial stress. Special thanks to Wikipedia for providing a structure of knowledge. Thank you for watching our channel. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insightful content. Stay tuned for our next video.